What if I told you Canon is about to launch the most powerful APS-C mirrorless camera we've ever seen? Canon fans, brace yourselves. The EOS R7 Mark II is rumored to bring specs that rival even full-frame beasts. From insane burst speeds to possible 8K video, this could be the ultimate hybrid creator's tool in 2025. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel, your one-stop shop for camera leaks, in-depth reviews, and the latest news on Canon, Nikon, and more. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications. Because trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next in the camera world. Canon R7 Mark II, what we know so far, rumor roundup. Let's break down the latest. Rumors surrounding the Canon EOS R7 Mark II, a camera that could seriously shake up the APS-C market. According to trusted sources like Canon Rumors, Camera Lookout, and several patent filings, the R7 Mark II might feature a stacked 32.5 MP APS-C sensor, or potentially a jump to 40 MP BSI CMOS. 40 frames per second continuous shooting via electronic shutter, putting it in EOS R3 territory, 4K at 120 fps, and yes, even possible 8K video recording. A first for Canon's APS-C lineup: dual card slots. One SFexPress Type B+1 UHS-2 SD slot, the Digic X image processor with next-gen AI-driven autofocus, improved in-body image stabilization (IBS), ideal for vloggers and handheld shooting. Rumors of a redesigned grip, better weather sealing, and a refined EVF similar to what's expected in the upcoming R5 Mark II. This camera could be a game-changer. Canon isn't just adding specs for fun. This camera could be part of a bigger strategic play. The original Canon R7 was a major hit for hybrid shooters and budget-conscious professionals. It offered flagship-level performance in a sub-$1,500 body. But now, with Sony's A6700, Fujifilm's X-T5, and Nikon Z6 III closing the gap, Canon needs a knockout punch. The R7 Mark II might just be that punch, combining pro-grade speed and video power while staying well below full-frame pricing. Why APS-C still matters in 2025. Yes, full-frame cameras dominate headlines, but APS-C still rules in wildlife, sports, and content creation, where reach, speed, and lightweight gear matter. The crop factor gives you more zoom without bigger lenses. The smaller files are easier to edit, backup, and transfer. And if Canon really adds 8K or 4001 to OFPS, this camera becomes an absolute hybrid video powerhouse, ideal for creators, dubers, filmmakers alike. Autofocus and AI enhancements. One of the biggest expectations for the R7 Mark II is an upgrade to Canon's deep learning AI autofocus, similar to what we've seen in the EOS R3 and rumored for the R5 Mark II. Expect better subject detection, eye tracking, and real-time recognition of animals, vehicles, and humans, even in challenging light. This could be Canon's most intelligent APS-C camera ever. Expected release date and price. According to multiple insiders, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II could launch in Q4 2025, with September or October being the most likely window. As for price, the original R7 launched at $1,499 United States dollars. If Canon adds a stacked sensor, next-gen autofocus, and pro features, the R7, I could land between $1,799 and $1,999. Still under full-frame pricing and well-positioned in the market. Potential drawbacks. As exciting as this all sounds, let's talk about what could go wrong. Lens limitations. Canon's RFS lens lineup is still relatively small compared to Sony and Fuji's APS-C offerings. Overheating. 8K in a small body may cause thermal issues depending on heat management, crop, or rolling shutter. Canon needs to ensure 4K 120 and 8K are usable with minimal compromises. Canon will need to expand RFS lens options and nail thermal efficiency to ensure this camera lives up to the hype. Final thoughts? Is it worth the hype? Duh! Canon R7 Mark II could be a milestone release in the mirrorless APS-C world. A true hybrid camera for creators, a budget-friendly alternative to full-frame, a wildlife and sports photography beast, and potentially The best APS-C video camera Canon has ever made. Would you upgrade from the current R7? Are you waiting on full frame? Or is this the perfect hybrid camera for your workflow? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Like the video, share it with a fellow Canon fan, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into Canon's 2025 roadmap and beyond.